Hi there guys, welcome to this tutorial and review of Copper CRM. If you're tired of juggling multiple tools to manage your sales and you want a CRM that feels like an extension of your Gmail, Copper CRM might be the solution for you. This is specifically designed for Google Workspace users and is perfect for small or medium-sized businesses in sales, marketing, or real estate. I will show you how to get started, manage leads and deals, and explore the key features and wrap up with a pros and cons review. Let's dive in. The first thing that I want you to know is that this is a paid software, but you can actually try it for free for 14 days. Okay, so just try this button here. Nice. Now, the second thing that I want you to do is actually install this extension for your Chrome browser. Okay, so just basically search for Cooper CRM for Gmail extension, and you should get to this page and you should install it. After you install this extension, you're gonna have access to Copper CRM through your Gmail, okay, which is amazing. So you can just press on this button and you can do a bunch of things from here that I'm gonna show you later. Next thing, I just want you to go to your Copper dashboard and click on Connect to Google, and you're gonna connect your Google account to your CRM. You're gonna click on Continue and access or select all necessary permissions. Let's walk you through a real world example. Let's say that you are, for example, a sales rep at a marketing agency and you get an email from a potential client. With Copper, you can turn that email into a lead in seconds. In the Gmail sidebar here, you can basically click on it and you can click on add new person or new company, and you can fill in all of the necessary details, okay, and click on save. What you can also do, for example, is if you have received an email from that person, you can just click on it. Let's say that I want to select this email from Eric. And if I select it, as you can see here, I have Eric Simons, which is a guy that works at StackBlitz, and I can add him to Copper directly, as you can see. Most of the details are going to be filled for me already, which is great, and I can just click on save or I can add the necessary details. Now, this guy is going to be saved in the people tab here, okay? So I can just press on this menu, I can select people, and there I have him, Eric Simons. And what I can do is I can change the contact type to potential customer, to current customer, or other. Okay, and I can do exactly the same thing from the Copper CRM, from the dashboard. So you can just go to people here, you can select this guy, and you can edit, or you can do whatever you want with him. You can also send an email from here, or from here, by the way. One of the things that you can do with Copper is you can set a reminder for an email, okay? So let's say that I wanna, take a look at this email, and I wanna set a reminder, maybe to follow it up, or just to reply to it or something like that. What I can do is I can click on this Copper icon, I can click on set reminder, and I can just add a date and a certain description, and I can click on save after I'm ready. Nice. Something that I like a lot is actually that you can track your emails with Copper, okay? So how are you gonna do this is by opening your Copper. You're gonna start sending an email to your contact. In my case, it's gonna be this Eric Simon guy, the one that we added. And what I want you to do is actually Eric Simons, where is this guy email? Okay, let's copy this. There we go. So yeah, you're gonna send an email to this guy and you're gonna track this option here. Okay, enable email open tracking. Okay, and you wanna keep this enable here. Okay, and something that you can also do is you can insert an email template, okay, which you can create in the basically Copper here dashboards. If you just come to the forms section and you click on create form, okay? How this email tracking is going to work, you can just go to your email send section, okay? And then you can just check on this icon, okay? The little black envelope. And here you can basically see the views of this email. Something that I also like about the CRM is the fact that you can invite users to your company CRM by just a simple email address, okay? So you can just type in here their email, addresses, their emails, and they're going to be able to basically access the CRM. This is good because sometimes you want to add a certain task and you want all of your members to have access to them, okay? So you can just come to the task section here, add a task, and you can basically make it visible to your team or to certain people, okay? Now let's talk about one of the most important sections of a CRM, which are the pipelines here, which are basically your workflows in terms of contacts, okay? So what are you gonna do is you're gonna come to pipeline here, you're gonna click on new pipeline, and here I'm going to focus on an agency sales pipeline, which is pretty common actually. And we're going to use this little template here, but you can create your own. Let's click on next, next, and next. Now, what you're going to be able to do here is to add opportunities, okay, which are going to be basically your contacts, okay? So I'm just going to add a name here that is going to be opportunity 1, and I'm going to relate a little contact, which is Eric Simons, the guy that we added before. And on status, I'm just gonna set it to open, new opportunity, because I just discovered this guy here, but I don't know him. priority, I can add them to high, visibility, you can modify this, okay? So let's go to save. And what you can do here is you can move him around, okay? So let's say that Eric Simons is here and I want to add a task, for example. So what I can do is I can come to this button and I can say send welcome email, okay? And I can set a due date for this, which can be tomorrow, for example. And here it's going to be added, okay? And when I have done this, basically, I can move this guy around to the next pipeline or to the next section of my pipeline, which is going to be the discovery call and then the scoping, so on, so on, so on. And if at any point I actually gain him as a client, I can drag him to the one section, or if I lose him, I can just, go to the lost section here. Let's say that I want him, I can just drag him here, okay? And that's pretty much it. So just to make like a quick summary for you, what I find are the pros for Copper CRM is like a seamless integration with Google Workspace. It feels like a part of Gmail, like an extension of it. It has a very intuitive and beautiful interface, especially for Google users. It has a powerful sales automations for deal, tasks, and reports. And it's affordable, but it's not free. Actually, that is one of the cons that I want to mention here. If you are on a lower tier, you're going to have a lot of limits to the context, which might not be suitable for growing businesses. There is no free forever plan. You will need to pay after the trial, and setting up a custom workflow can take time to learn. Okay, so thank you so much, guys.